Hi, welcome to the Counseling and Psychological Services, CAPS, Online Transforming Stress Workshop. And thank you for agreeing to be a participant in our study. Your participation is greatly appreciated and will have a positive impact on future Wayne State students who need to learn how to embrace their stress. I am Dr. Denise Wunderlich. I'm a counselor at CAPS and a co-instructor for this workshop. I'm really excited to introduce a new way of viewing stress. This could even be a game changer in your life. My co-instructor, Dr. Jennifer Crystal, will tell you a little bit more.
This workshop is different as compared to most online courses in that once you've started a module, you will be able to go through the materials in an order that is most comfortable for you. And each module has 4 components: the learning content, the playground, the cafe, and the assessment activity. You can choose the order in which you prefer to work on the components and the items within the components. Of course, it might be easier if you start with the learning content first, because that is where you will be given the information you need to do the activities in the other components.
Right, so based on your preference, you can choose to read a handout or a book section, or you can even go through a mini course or watch a video in whatever order you want. What is important is that you be able to complete the assessment activity at the end of each module, as well as the overall workshop assessment activity. And also that you have the discussion activities completed in time for our online meetings. In addition to the learning content and group discussion questions, you will also see quizzes and games in the playground area, such as Jeopardy and Trivia. They are available for you to play with and to have fun while testing your knowledge of the material. If you find yourself having difficulty with these games or discussion questions, you may need to go back and try some more of the learning materials. So, what that means is that for each of you going through this workshop, you will experience it a little differently based on your learning preferences.
Yes, and in the introduction module, you will find the workshop navigation flowchart and a timeline, as well as the workshop goals and objectives. And you are encouraged to review the online discussion netiquette so that we can maximize having constructive discussion interactions. We are just delighted to have this opportunity to get to know each of you and to help make stress a positive force in your lives. If you have any questions or just want to talk about any part of the workshop, please reach out to either of us. We have listed our contact information. See you in 2 weeks online. Bye.
Peace out.